When I first started in this industry, I wanted every client to have the perfect smart home experience. Back then, I was pulling together components from different brands, different vendors, different type of equipment, all trying to engineer what I believed was the ideal system. And the truth is, a lot of the time, it didn't work. There were conflicts. Component wouldn't communicate. System failed under pressure. As the installer, it was incredibly frustrating, especially knowing my clients were the one living with the consequences. I still remember the embarrassment when a system I designed did not perform the way it should. We would track down breaking point, troubleshoot for hours, configure equipment, and hope the next attempt solved the issue. Over time, after years of trial, error, and refinement, I started seeing a consistent pattern. What works, what never works, what failed under pressure, and what required proper engineering from the beginning. Today, I know exactly how to design systems that perform smoothly and predictably every single day. This matters for homeowners at different stages. Some already have a smart home that feels unreliable. Others are building or remodeling and want to avoid paying twice, avoiding cluttered walls, avoiding a system that feels impressive for a week but frustrating for years. No matter where you are in the process, the goal is the same. A home that feels effortless, calm, and reliable. Have you ever hesitated to use your smart home because it failed so many times that you stopped trusting it? Or if you're starting fresh, have you worried about investing serious money and still ending up with some complicated and unreliable system? Across Los Angeles, I see the same pattern in high-end homes. Reliability becomes more important than features once you live with the system. Multiple apps and mixed brands create frictions and confusion. Technology failure feel uncomfortable when you have guests over. Many systems get re-engineered because they were never designed as a one unified platform. Ongoing white glove support matters more than people expect. Your frustration is not unique, but it's solvable. Would it feel easier to live in a home that simply works every day without hesitation or stress? Our client John purchased a home with an existing smart home system. After moving in, he dealt with problem after problem. The original installer kept returning, but each visit created a new issues. After almost a year of frustration, he called us. When I arrived, I found the rack had zero ventilation. Components were overheating. Multiple brands were forced to work together, even though they were never designed for compatibility. The system was unstable by design. We installed proper ventilation, replaced the conflicting component, unified the platform, and within days, his home became stable and predictable. John told me it was the first time he felt confident pressing button in his own home. On the other hand, we also work with homeowners before anything is installed. A client in Beverly Hills was remodeling his house and about to let 3 different vendors handle lighting, Wi-Fi, audio, and security separately. Nothing was coordinated. We stepped in, created one engineering plan, unified the platform, and built infrastructure correctly from day one. They did not have to rewire later. They did not have to learn 5 different apps. And when they moved back in, the home simply performed the way it's supposed to. This is the difference between installing equipment and engineering a system. After a year of designing and servicing smart home system, I developed a simple method of creating the total home reliability. Step 1. Verify proper ventilation. Overheating is one of the most common causes of system instability. Every component must operate in the right environment to perform consistently. Step 2. Engineer the network properly. The network is the foundation of everything. If the network is weak or poorly designed, nothing works correctly. Every reliable smart homes begin with a stable, purpose-built network. Step 3. Validate a full experience end-to-end if a system already exists. We identify failure breaking points and re-engineer them. If we are building a new system, we test and validate the entire platform before handoff, so it performed correctly from day one. This is the difference between a system that frustrated you and a system that simply works. A client in Studio City had an outdated lighting system that was unresponsive and never maintained. We upgraded the platform, simplified the programming, and refined the user interface. Now the lighting can be controlled effortlessly from anywhere. A family in Encino experienced security concern in their neighborhood. We integrated their cameras, alarm, and lighting system so that if the alarm activated, some interior lights turned on and the exterior lights flash, making the home highly visible. The system works as one unified platform. I see those problems all the time, and I understand exactly how to solve them. Leaving a system uncorrected means ongoing frustration, instability, and unnecessary risk. Starting without a plan often leads to wasted investment and expensive correction later. A properly engineered smart home is not about gadget. It's about reducing daily friction, protecting your investment, and creating a home that feels calm and effortless. Now you understand why so many smart home fails and what makes other perform consistently. The next step is clarity. This is why I created the private design assessment call. Total home reliability. This call is designed for two situations: diagnosing an existing system or creating a clean engineering plan before you invest. In 30 minutes, we will diagnose why your current system is failing or identify what is the most likely to fail without proper planning. Identify the root causes behind reliability issues. Show you how your home should be performing. Outline a custom engineering plan for your property. Give you clarity and structure path moving forward. If you choose to move forward with implementation, we can discuss that after you have clarity. When you book your call, you will also get Smart Home Reliability Audit Checklist, a detailed breakdown of weak points so you understand exactly what needs improvement. Priority scheduling. If you move forward, your project receives priority placement. Availability is intentionally limited each month to maintain true white glove service. This is not a mass market. This is a premium consultation designed for homeowners who value precision and reliability. Every home is unique and deserves a custom engineered solution. But consider this: the cost of living with unreliable system or building one incorrectly at the first time is often greater than the investment required to design it properly. Most homeowners tell me the same thing after working with us. I wish we have done this from the beginning. If you are ready for a home that performs predictably and feels effortless, schedule your private design assessment call. We will uncover the exact issue or design the correct blueprint so your system works the way it should. The sooner your home is assessed, the sooner you can experience what a properly engineered smart home feels like. Availability is limited. To maintain quality and attention, book your session now and take the first step towards total home reliability.